Hello everyone, welcome to Axure Interactive Components tutorial, and today I'm going to present interactive component as Spinbox. So what exactly Spinbox does? So Spinbox is a form element which enable user to increase or decrease the number value in text field. So there will be some condition or some specific rule which we can add in Spinbox, like max number 10 or 20 or minimum number 0 or might be it is minus 10. So we can add these all conditions in Spinbox. So here I have one example which I'm going to present you. So this form, I think everyone is aware. While we are going to book a ticket, we used to get this form where it is saying like adults 12-year plus, so how many number of people. So we used to click on number of people 4, 5, 6, and here for the children and then infants. So right now you can see here, while it is a 0, this minus button is disabled, so it can't be decrease the value. And once we press on plus, it getting enable and plus value is getting plus 1, 3, then plus 1, 4, then 5, and while press on minus, it is getting minus 1. So how we will create this spin box? So let's start. So for creating a spin box, we need text field, and then we need plus and minus icon. So first we'll take this text field and we'll place it. So here now I'm going to place plus and minus icon. So here I have plus icon and minus, but it is working as a button. So we'll give, this is 25 and 25. So we will give the interaction to these icons and we'll make a button. So now here Spinbox widget. So you can make it more interactive with some of the cosmetic changes. And here, like this is the plus, first I'm going to convert to the dynamic panel. So create dynamic panel and give some name like plus, and same, right click, create dynamic panel and give some name minus, and this will be the contour, or you can say numbers. So all naming is done. Now the next, so there are different way to do enable, disable the field and this icon, but I will take you the simplest way how we can do without knowing the code or writing the conditions or like more condition building. So first I will write or give interaction to plus, which is very simple. Just select this, and before that I'm going to create one more state, that is disable. So in disable state this will be a different color. So what used to happen once it is disabled means we are not going to give any of the interaction here. So it is so simple. Once I will give the interaction, then only it will go to the increase the value. But if not providing the any interaction, then it will be a disable form. So the same way we'll do for the minus also. Here is state 1 and then we'll have the disable. So this will be enable, or you can say active, and same here. Now while click on plus, how it will interact. So here is the interaction, and click on new interaction, click or tab, and now we have to enable the cases. So it is nothing, it's a very simple. You can see here enable case, and here we need to add the logic. So what is the logic here? Once it is text on a widget, so text on a widget, where we can see first, so text on a widget of this part which is a numbers. So we'll write here like text on a widget, this means number equal to text. So while it is getting increase, so I will give here the max value 10. So once it is equal to 10, then what will happen? This plus icon will change to disable mode. So user can't increase the value more than 10. So here will set panel plus will change to disable, and if it is not max value, then simply it will increase the value. So for that what we'll do, we'll set text on number, that text field, and here is value. So what will be the value? Here in visit will have the target, and this target we are going to increase the text. So now we'll say text. So from here So from here it will increase the numbers. So, okay, now once it is increasing the number, so the minus button which is in disable form, it will be changed to the enable form. So for that I'm going to set panel and will say minus is going to be active. And the same way here also, once it is a like max value, the minus value will be active. So for that we are going to add state panel minus and will make the active. And the next we are moving to the minus. So here in minus we'll click on this and we can say click or tab and we'll enable the case. So for enabling the case, here we are going to give text on a widget numbers equal text 1 or 0. So what will happen if it is a max reach or min reach, it will disable. So here we are going to change this state panel active to disable. Next, if it is not minus or like not 0, what will do? So it will decrease the value. Suppose if it is a 10, then it will, while I click on the minus, then it will be 9, 8, 7, like that. So for that we'll say text and number, which is a text field, and we'll say the value as target, and we are going to minus the text which is in input field or a text field. So here we'll add the text and -1. So this will be on click. Remove this. So target dot text -1. And in this scenario, while it is a minus, so and while it is disabled, so what will happen once the minus button is disabled, so the plus button will be enabled. Here we are going to set panel plus to active, and here also plus to active. Now say OK and we'll preview this. So here we didn't change this state panel. So first in first load, what will happen, we are going to change the state panel. So disable doesn't have the different color, so I think I have used this one. So here we'll make the above. So what will happen, this minus will. So now review. So here we are minus nothing, now plus 1 2 3 4 till 10. I have given the condition, so after 10 it won't increase the value. Now minus, once it is 0, now value is not decreasing, and once it is a 10, so max reach, here it is getting disabled. So now next, so suppose if I have taken 1000, and we are going to align this in middle. Now select both and make it middle, and here also make it middle. Now it is going to change the color. So once it is selected, so here will be, and here it is disabled, so in active it will be this color. So we can do with the different method, like click, so it will be selected and it will be active, and once it is disabled, so increasing or decreasing a value will change the color as per. So now here I have given a value like 1000. So what will happen if I have given this value? It is going to increase the value 1001 2, but condition it is getting wrong, because I have given a condition where it is saying max value is 10. So max value here it is given 10, but it is increasing the value once it is written as a 1000 and minus. So how we'll handle this kind of situation or this kind of scenario? We need to write some overload exception, not that much, just little. Onload here we have. So in onload we are going to write some of the condition. So let's see. So for that we are going to write condition here. So here we have this, select this and say new interaction and say loaded. So once it will be loaded, what will be condition? So here click on loaded and build a small condition like enable case add logic if text on a widget this equals to text. Okay, so equal to text I have given 10, so we'll say greater than or equal to. Okay, so suppose if it is a greater than or equal to 10, then it will disable. So it will disable the plus icon. So how? State panel plus and make it disable. So this is the first condition, and in second condition, if text on a widget this is less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 1 or 0 we can say here, so the state panel of minus will become disabled. So let's see. I will preview first. Here both are disabled. So here suppose if we have given the max value like 1000 or something, then it is getting disabled. Which condition we have added here? So onload, it will be the condition which will make the state change or a condition to be disabled. So now we'll keep 0 and we'll preview. So it is working fine, and we can add more condition. Suppose if you want a maximum value 20, so you can give here instead of 10 20, and if you want the minimum value is 10 and something, so you can give condition here 10 and something, which is a specific. So okay, so here this spin box lesson is completed. So we have seen this example, and here we have seen all these conditions. So we have added condition to a text field and plus minus button to a specific value of the increment and decrement. So thank you everyone. How is the lesson? Please write your comment. See you in next lesson. Thanks.